All right, we got another DUI Queen. I'm gonna start calling you the DUI Queens here. She just got pulled over. Let's see what they talking about. Woman gets pulled over after stumbling out of store. Blows 4 times the legal limit. Blames the cop. Of course she blamed the cop. She blaming everybody except for herself. I guarantee that. I guarantee that.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure.
A sergeant with the Corrales
He
Police
smelled
Department
alcohol right
noticed
there,
a
I'm
woman
sure.
nearly fall while walking through a store parking lot. After insisting she was fine, the sergeant spoke with the employee at the store, who informed him that the woman had just purchased alcohol. She was then pulled over by the same officer less than 5 minutes later. What he discovered would lead to a shocking breath test showing a BAC more than 4 times the legal limit.
Roll the back window down instead of the front window.
I be doing that. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I be doing that all the time though. I be sober as hell. Be doing that shit. I ain't gonna lie.
There at the gas station. So I watched you back out, and you struggled to do that. Then you've been struggling to maintain your line of travel. You crossed over the outside lane by an entire tire width, and you're struggling to keep the car on the roadway.
I'm sorry.
Do you have your driver's license?
Yes, I do.
Have you had any alcohol today?
No.
You've had no alcohol today. I'm smelling alcohol coming from inside the vehicle, so you've had none today whatsoever.
Why cops always be having the best noses, bro? Is that like a prerequisite? You gotta have a good sniffer to be a cop. I swear they all be smelling everything.
Okay. I'm gonna give you your envelope back. I don't need that. And then your insurance expired last year. I'll give you that back. You have a more insurance card? Something that's more up to date?
You knew that was expired.
Because this one shows 2025. Okay. Go ahead and put your car in park for me. Thank you, ma'am. Will you have to turn your car off? Thank you. Can I see your keys, please? I'm going to put your keys right here in front of you on the hood, okay? Hang tight, I'll be right back. Hi, Serena. Would you come on out? Would you go ahead and come out of the car? I just want to have a quick chat with you, okay?
Quick chat
Step
means you're going to jail.
Go that way. Don't fall that way.
Oh, he's stumbling out of the car is crazy, bro.
Hey, we're gonna go right by my police car. And if you would, please, ma'am, would you stand right there and face this direction? Okay. Go ahead and take your sunglasses off for me. Are they prescription or anything like that?
Yes.
Can I take your sunglasses, please, ma'am? Are they prescription? You have to see with them? Okay. Can you go ahead and hand me your sunglasses, please, ma'am? Thank you. I'm gonna set them right here, okay?
Follow my flag. Follow my finger.
These are just regular sunglasses. Okay.
The sunglasses are just another small inconsistency, and although the lies keep stacking, she's open with the sergeant about what she was at the store to purchase. Unfortunately for her, the reason she was there doesn't exactly present a good look.
Have you had any alcohol today?
No.
None whatsoever?
Yesterday, yes.
Yesterday then. Okay, so in the car I could smell alcohol coming from out of the car. Now we're standing outside.
And I bought alcohol.
That's fine. You're allowed. You can purchase whatever you want. You just can't consume it and be behind the wheel.
I was.
You. No, bro. You catch that's her best asset, right? You see what she's trying to do right there, right? That's not an accident. That's not an accident. It ain't gonna, they ain't bad, but they're not gonna get you out of this ticket, lady. It's too late. It's too late. She's like, did she pull them out again? They ain't getting you out of this ticket. Listen.
Okay, so standing here
They
right
ain't
now,
bad.
I can smell a strong odor of alcohol emitting from your breath as you're speaking. So, one more time. Have you had any alcohol today whatsoever?
Yesterday.
Yesterday, but nothing today. Okay. Are you willing to take a standardized field sobriety
You lying, and she gonna deny the sobriety test.
test? Because I want to make sure you get home safely.
My home is 2 streets
Don't
away.
matter.
Okay. So, are you willing to take a standardized field sobriety test?
No.
You're not
I knew it. I knew it. She gonna deny it every time, bro. They always do.
at all. And even though I can smell the
Because
alcohol,
I'm fine.
you're not. I can smell a ton of alcohol emitting from your breath as you're speaking to me. So I'm just trying to give you the opportunity. I really want to work with you, but I want you to get home safe. But I do believe you are under the influence of alcohol.
Okay, but I would just like to get home safe.
You're not going home right now. So you have 2 choices. You can either try the field sobriety test. I would like you to try them. If you
Okay.
don't want to, you have every right to refuse.
Okay,
So do you want to try those field sobriety tests?
that's fine.
Okay.
Whatever.
I want to make sure that you're okay. And if you're sober and everything's right and you pass these tests,
I just
you can go
want
home.
to go home.
Well, I need to make sure you're okay to drive. I don't think you're okay to drive.
Okay, I don't if you don't want me
She's about to spaz, bro. She's about to spaz, bro. She about to spaz, bro. The Karen's about to come out of her, bro.
Here's the deal. In order for me to do that, I have to do some standardized field sobriety tests with you.
Okay.
Okay, are you willing to do those?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead and put your feet together for me.
You're gonna take me to jail.
Why would I take you to jail?
I feel like that's what you want me to do.
I can smell alcohol coming off your breath, so I want you to be
But
honest.
that's from last night.
So do you think the alcohol would have lasted
Look at
all the way
her.
from tonight in your system till right now?
Sometimes
24
yes.
hours? Okay.
Trying to poke him out
Despite
again.
insisting the smell of alcohol was from the night before, it's highly unlikely the sergeant believes that for a second. And although she reluctantly agreed to the testing, it doesn't take long before her cooperation begins to fade.
Yeah,
Do me
she.
a favor, put your feet together for me, okay?
As
Put
soon
your
as she
hands down to your
realizes,
sides.
as soon as she realizes she can't do it, she's gonna give up and quit and get pissed at him.
Eyes in your eyes only. I want you to follow my finger with your eyes in your eyes only, okay? Follow my finger with your eyes in your eyes only.
Why is it when you're drunk you turn your head?
Keep your head still. Follow my finger with your eyes in your eyes only.
Done this. Okay.
Okay, one more time. All right. Put your feet together.
I can't do
Take
it. I
your
don't
right
think I
foot
can do
and
it.
place it in front of your left. Right in front of your left. Oh, put your foot like mine. Look, see mine? Look down at my feet.
I don't
Are you able to do that?
do that in the first place.
Okay.
Why she built like a sack of potatoes? I'm just playing. I'm
Put
sorry.
your
I'm
right foot in
sorry.
front of you like you're standing on an imaginary line. Okay? Put that front foot. Do me a favor. Let's go ahead and start over.
No, I'm
Put your-
nervous.
Okay.
You're freaking me out, dude.
Okay, you need to listen to my instructions, okay? I need you to pay attention right now. Put your feet together, hands down at your side, okay? Take a big deep breath. Keep your hands out of your pockets. Keep your hands down at your side, okay? I want you to just take a big deep breath and try to relax for me, all right? You can fix your shirt and stuff if you need to. Okay, hands down at your side, take a big deep breath and just relax for me, okay? Are you better now? Okay. What
I'm
I
still
want you to
fucked up.
do is imagine your left foot on an imaginary line right in front of you, like I'm doing here.
Right in front of
Put your right in front of that left, just like I'm doing. Nope, stay right there. No, I didn't say start back. Put your feet back together. Put your right foot in front of your left. Okay, stay in that position till you're told to move. Go ahead and go back. Stay in that position till you're told to move. Are you not able to do that?
No, I'm
You're-
freaking out.
You're freaking out?
You're making me very, very nervous.
You have to do these tests. If you don't want to, you have to let me know. Are you refusing to do the test?
Yeah,
Okay, turn around for me. Turn around, face that way.
I know.
Turn around for me. Place your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for driving while intoxicated.
Despite the relatively simple nature of the tests, she was unable to complete them, with the officer noting that she nearly walked into him several times during the instructions. There's now only one step left in the investigation: obtaining an evidentiary breath sample on the breathalyzer machine at the station, which, unlike a portable breath test, can be used as evidence in court.
Would you like your sunglasses back, ma'am?
That's
Sam
it.
342SO.
Those are the
My
good
turn
ones.
Just to get my card.
No, ma'am. Your car's getting towed.
Oh
Come on this way.
boy.
Real careful. She'll get the door for you. Whoop, don't fall. Serena, I want to let you know right now
Man.
you are under arrest for driving while intoxicated, okay?
Drunk driving is really not
This is the
worth
New
it,
Mexico Implied
bro.
Consent Act.
She was at the crib getting litty and was like, you know, I'm about to go get me some more alcohol. And then that's worse. Honestly, that's worse than coming home from the bar drunk and getting arrested. Being at home, getting drunk, and then just going out for more alcohol and then coming back home and on your way back home getting arrested, that's almost worse in my opinion.
I have to tell you something very important, so please listen up. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood.
I wanted to hear that, bro. Why you fast
do you
forward
agree to
it?
take the IR 8000 test, the breath test?
Now?
No, we're gonna go back to the office, and that's where you'll blow into a machine. You'll give 2 breath samples into a machine. I'll walk you through the whole thing. But do you agree to take it? Yes or no?
No.
I don't have any.
I'm gonna keep reading, okay, so you can understand everything. I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse to, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license and non-resident operating privilege for 1 year.
To put it simply, in the state of New Mexico, along with most other states, a first offense DWI can result in a 6-month license revocation for failing a chemical test, and a 1-year revocation for refusing one.
Do you understand?
So you can cut it in half
Okay,
if you
do
just
not want
blow.
to take the test.
No, I do not understand.
Okay, what do you not understand?
So I have to take the test or not?
You have to choose if you want to take the test or not take the test. That's up to you. If you don't, you can receive a greater sentence because you have to You do have to comply with this by the state of New Mexico. If you don't, I can't force you. Do you agree to be tested? Yes or no?
I don't know.
Okay, do you need me to read it again?
Go ahead.
Okay. Do you agree to take the IR 8000 test? Yes or no? I need an answer, yes or no.
I do not know.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you one more time, and if you say I don't know, I'm going to take that as a refusal. Do you want to take the IR 9000 test for the
Well, I
fourth
don't
time?
want to lose my license. I drive for work.
Okay, so you have to make a choice. Do you want to take the test or do you not want to take the test?
I guess.
I need a yes or a no.
Sure.
Okay, so I'm going to take sure as a yes. Is that a yes?
I
I need
guess
to hear
so.
you say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, hang tight. We'll be out here in just a minute.
Dummy.
She purchased
What she got? What she got in there? Some
Fireball
cookies?
whiskeys.
Ooh.
There are no open containers in the vehicle.
Once they arrive to the station, she again agrees to provide the breath sample, but getting a usable reading proves to be another challenge. After several improper attempts, the sergeant still has to get her to provide a valid sample before the process can be completed.
So this is the IR 9000 machine. So back there at the gas station, when you almost fell off the curb, that's why I was checking on you. You said you were okay, but then when you backed out, you were having a difficult time backing out. When you drove off the roadway, down the road a piece, and you weren't maintaining your lane. Okay, ready? Take a big deep breath and blow into there for me. There you go. Keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing. Blow hard. Keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing. Okay.
I don't got enough
take a
air in
deep
my
breath.
lungs.
Let it out. Now take a big deep breath and blow in. Go, keep going, keep going, keep going. You're messing with the machine now. Don't put your tongue over it. Keep blowing, blow harder. You gotta blow harder.
Nah, bro. She needs some coaching. She definitely needs some coaching.
Keep going, 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 keep going. Good job, good job. You're good. Okay. Do you want to know how intoxicated you are? No? You're 4 times the legal limit. You really could have hurt someone, including yourself tonight. I'm not going to be your priest or tell you how to judge you or anything like that, but
No, you already have.
I want you to know you could have really hurt somebody tonight. That would be my recommendation that you go talk to someone, okay? So this is the New Mexico Notice of Revocation, okay? What this means is you've been arrested for DWI and you no longer have a driver's license in the state of New Mexico. Read this really carefully so it benefits you. You told me earlier that you drive for work. You got to take care of
that's
this.
my job. So
Okay.
now I have no job. Thanks.
You drove. You drank, not me. Do me a favor. You want to sign this?
Despite the lack of accountability, the reality of what she's facing is beginning to
Your
set in.
fault.
As she waits to be transported, her phone rings, and the sergeant allows her to answer it and speak with her mother.
Your mom's calling your cell phone, so if you'd like to talk to mom real quick, I'll let you do that, just so you can tell her you're safe.
Mom, I'm in jail. I'll be here till Monday. No, I got arrested. I know, and I was like 2 blocks away from home. Cops out hearing crawls, you know, they'd be crazy, no offense. I'll call you in an hour or 2. But have a fun party with everybody else. But don't tell them what's going on.
Everybody was there getting lit. Damn. Everybody was there getting lit. She went out for the alcohol run and didn't come back home, bro. That's tough, bro. I ain't gonna lie, because so many people have done that, bro. Why did they send her, bro? You can DoorDash alcohol now, bro. You can literally DoorDash it.
I'll call you in an hour or 2. But answer the phone. I love you. Bye. Thanks.
You're welcome. Absolutely. That's what we're here for.
The sergeant makes one more attempt to get her to acknowledge the potential consequences of her actions. But she seems more focused on what happens next than taking responsibility for what brought her here.
With the level it was, honestly, human being to human being, you could have killed someone tonight or you could have died.
But what I'm going to ask is that she said to ask you.
Sure.
Okay. And am I going to end up going to jail for like a long period of time?
You're going to go to jail tonight, and then you're going to show up to court, get an attorney, we'll work everything out. I always recommend tons and tons of therapy and counseling, that sort of stuff. So if it's something that you're struggling with, and the alcohol's help,
No,
mess up,
I was just, it was just,
Bad-
honestly not.
a good
like,
decision.
Yeah.
And just take it as a lesson learned. Just make sure you show up to court.
The case ultimately ended with a guilty or no contest plea on July 15, 2025. She was sentenced to probation, along with community service, DWI school, and an ignition interlock requirement. Just over a year later,
Dang. So an ignition interlock requirement means you got to blow in a damn thing before you can start your car. Those are the worst, bro. I personally never had to do it, but I know some people that have, and it definitely messes with their life, especially dudes. Dudes who have that, instant ick from every female you ever run into, bro. So if you're a guy, don't get a DUI. Just call a Uber or whatever you gotta do. I ain't here to preach at you, but man, it's not worth it, bro. These DUI queens on here just acting a fool, brother. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys in this one. We'll be back tomorrow with another one, I'm sure. We'll be back at some point at least. If not tomorrow, another day. But we grinding. We grinding on this YouTube right now. You hear me?